As the Israel and Palestine conflict intensifies, North Korea has now weighed in on the matter. According to reports, North Korean official media criticized Israel for the killing in Gaza on Tuesday. This is the first time North Korea expressed its opinion regarding the military hostilities between Israel and the Islamist group Hamas. The ruling Workers' Party's mouthpiece, that is North Korean newspaper Rodong Sinmun, issued a brief report on the conflict and casualties, citing foreign media. An excerpt of the opinionated article said, and I quote, "The international community claims that this clash was the result of Israel's constant criminal acts against the Palestinian people and that the fundamental way out is to build an independent Palestinian state." After a catastrophic weekend attack by Hamas, the violence has prompted international professions of solidarity for Israel as well as calls for a halt to the conflict and the protection of civilians. Israel has prepared for a ground attack and has called up an unprecedented 300,000 reservists and established a blockade on Gaza. On the other hand, Hamas has threatened to execute an Israeli captive. On foreign matters, North Korean state media has frequently advocated against Western perspectives, particularly those of the United States. As the Israel-Palestinian conflict continues into its fourth day on Tuesday, various countries across the globe have shown support for Israel, including Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In contrast, many others have aligned themselves with Hamas, including the Indian National Congress. Israel's foreign ministry asserts that approximately 84 nations have issued statements supporting Israel, condemning the Hamas attacks and affirming Israel's right to self-defense. Simultaneously, several countries in the Middle East have praised the surprise assault by Hamas, despite the resulting casualties in Israel.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.